Tulad ng isang Moscow, di ba? Ng Hayabusa.
It's all about
That's gonna
how
happen
you,
to Arceus, no?
di ba? Sorry. It's all about how you counter each other sa mind games. Kailangan kasi na matinding reset dito ng RQ because of the loss nga sa previous game. Pero moving forward dito, sila Sutsujin, Stormy onto the back. Being heavily dealt with the damage na meron ng RRQ. And so far, meron pa rin naman silang exchange na nagaganap. Force was yung flicker na force dito for Yums. I was waiting kung makakaroon na ba finally ng first blood. Pero mukhang ayaw pa rin talaga. Dalawang pula ng buhay. Cyanide activated here. Pwedeng dalawa. Makuha nila dito. Diba?
Mag-ingat ka na lang.
Mag-iingat ka. Kaso ngayon, kakasabi ko lang, mag-iingat naman sila. Yums with the title strike. Tsunami Slam committed onto Edok. Sutsujin from the back. Attacking Innocent. Stormy is the next target. Papalipad, andyan yung jetpack. Pero may Purify pa rin naman. Rince will survive. Sekai is trying his best kung shadow kill. Pero makahati ang kanyang damage. Makakatakas pa rin naman. May isang sasabunutan dito. Edok is the man na medyo low life ngayon. Pero nagbago yung isip ng RRQ. Parang pwede natin silang balikan. Parang pwede natin balikan. At yan.
Pakipot na daanan. Talagang wala ka talagang katakas-takas pa if you were SRG in that scenario. Here we go with that Tsunami Slam. Napunta sa Edok sa isang masamang sitwasyones. Under the tower, he goes down. 5v4 yan ang laban, pero mahapdi pa rin ang kanyang tinitiis. Sutsujin will kill on the backline. Tatlo ang sinasayawan niya. And there goes.
So, on the verge of winning this game. Mapipigilan nila ang pagkapanalo muli dito ng SRGOG. Locking their sights on the tower. Innocent and Yoso are the only men left here. Pero mukhang hindi magiging sapat ang kanilang depensa dahil RQ Hoshi